Like many organisations, you're probably wondering how can you maximise the investment that you make in your IT infrastructure and your IT personnel. To deliver IT services, you require an investment in staff, an investment in infrastructure, licenses, there is business process to create, all of which is very time consuming and adds a lot of overhead to your organisation. As a result, we find that many organisations are not as efficient as they would like to be, and this is a driving force for change within any IT company. By taking services which are not intrinsic to the business, such as management of IT infrastructure, and outsourcing them to a professional organisation, you can reduce your cost, you can make the cost for IT predictable, you can buy into an SLA-driven model and be proactive about how you manage your resources. As opposed to having your own internal team, which are expensive to manage, which require a lot of training and human resources cost, you're able to reduce that cost and fix it to a standard monthly amount, whereby we can have a proactive service where we manage the infrastructure, we maintain your infrastructure, we give you a service level which you would not ordinarily be able to maintain internally. We deliver that service by coming into your organisation, assessing your current infrastructure, doing what we refer to commonly as a health check, where we would see how far behind kind of your goals as a business would be for your environment. We then go through a period of onboarding where we would roll out the necessary tools and go through the processes required to deliver the service for you. We then look to bring your infrastructure up to a standard whereby we can manage it effectively. Then we ensure that we protect that environment and that we are making sure that your information security processes are upheld, that your data backup processes are upheld, that your infrastructure management is done correctly. And over time, we look to optimize that and then really add value as part of a long-term strategic approach. To deliver services to our customers, what we've done is compartmentalized our business into 3 distinct teams. The first level is what we call the service desk. This operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They will be available for all the first line response, monitoring all the backup tools, the security, the patch management, all the tools that basically we deploy on your site to ensure that your infrastructure runs correctly. They are then supported by the NOC level team. This is our most experienced level of engineer. They are the CCIEs, NCIEs, VCPs of our business. And what they will do is basically come into your infrastructure on a regular basis, ensure that the standards that we've created are being adhered to, and also react to any issues that they find using the monitoring tools. As a third level, BIOS also does a lot of project work. If required, we can use those engineers in emergency situations or as extra resource when required, so that we have that buffer to deliver service to multiple customers at once. One of the major benefits from a management perspective is to have a monthly report which gives you detailed infrastructure about the work that we've undertaken in the month, but also the health of your environment. It will show trend analysis over time. You can also compare that with real-time online dashboards which we give you access to. Accor Hotels has been a customer of BIOS Assured for the last 2 years. They have over 50 hotels in the Middle East region which is under support from us, and that has been a major success story, not only in terms of improving service but also in terms of reducing cost, and it has become now a de facto standard, so that all of the new Accor hotels that are opening within the region are currently getting the BIOS Assured service as a standard offering.